Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. And yeah, this is what I consider to be the product of the year. This is the main root of the signal of a streamer that you can create yourself. So um, I find it amazingly expensive, but what other product can currently do this? I don't really know. This is the best product that I've been able to find. There might easily be a similar product that's better, but I've looked for a while and I just haven't been able to find anything coming close to this. So I would call this the product of the year, and yeah, the older version is also really, really good. But in regards to naturality and the amount of information, I think JCAT has really outdone themselves and created. They've created a sound that I never thought would be possible in the whole PC realm. I never thought that a computer would be able to create this type of sound. And I just want to say that there's a huge difference using this as a standard card and just powering it up with the PCI port. I mean, it doesn't come anywhere close to when you're putting this in a computer, having an external LPSU, having an external LPSU on your streamer. I mean, as soon as you have those external LPSUs and they're not standard LPSUs, but some decent ones that you find, my God, it just suddenly opens up the potential. So before having this card, it feels like your sound only has, like, I don't know, a couple of gears. Then you put this thing in, and then it's like suddenly like 20 gears appear that you can use. And then you connect the LPSUs, and it's like here's a potential of like 1,000 gears that can be used. I'm just making up bullshit so you guys can kind of understand where I'm going. But it's just so natural. I never thought that USB could sound this natural. And it makes a lot of analog gear actually sound digital, which I never thought I would say. But and I'm a huge fan of tubes, turntables, that the most expensive tube sound, and hearing this at its what I would perhaps consider close to being its maximum potential. It's frighteningly good. It's really frighteningly good, especially the timing, the naturality, the intensity, the way it releases the music. Those are like traits you would never have before a couple of years ago, and I feel that we've really moved quite a bit into the future here. So yeah, check out that company JCAT. They make some pretty expensive products, and I feel that they're way overpriced. But when you look at the competition, I haven't been able to find anything coming close to this. Just an awesome company, especially this card. It's especially this card. They also have like a network card and all kinds of LPSUs and switches and boxes and all kinds of things like that. And they all do work, and they're all some of the best products on the market. But I think that this really takes the cake, because when you can deal with something at the root part of the signal and do it at such a high level, it opens up so many doors to what normal people can do in the hi-fi world. So they don't have to buy these standard box, crappy streamer box solutions. You can make your own streamer, and you don't have to know a lot about it, and you can reach a pretty high level but it starts with getting something like this and getting a proper PC, and then getting a LPSU for this and the PC, and then then you've opened the doors. Then at that point it's like you could, in theory, create a sound that is better than the best CDs on this planet, CD players, the best turntables on this planet at the current time. You could, in theory, notice the word in theory, theory. So I'm just truly amazed by this product, and if it wasn't so expensive, I would immediately just buy it and then just almost create a new streamer for myself and use that. But just tied with money at the moment, so can't do that because of this whole Corona situation. Just amazing. So yeah, I really highly recommend this product, and so yeah, that's my take of Hi-Fi product of the year 2020. Whoopsie daisy, like that, 2020. And yeah, that's me logging off. So if you ever want to look at a streamer that can potentially give you a really, really good sound, this is where you start. This is where it begins. And the potential is basically unlimited. But yeah, tell me about it. Maybe a product that's better than this, because I would like to try it. I'm open to a lot of stuff in life. I would like to hear from you. If you've tried a card that's better than this, put it in the comments. Tell me about it, because I want to know. I want to try that card. And since I've got you here, guys, there's also these SP diff converters for streamers, like the Gustad U16 and the Audio GD DI20. If you know a box that's better than those SP diff converters, tell me about it in the comments. Also, if you've heard of a box that's better than the Uptown Audio Isoregen clock box, if you know a box that you know for sure that's better, and don't say L Fidelity, because I tried that, and no, it's not close to that potential. It still makes sound a hell of a lot better on a lower end system, but it isn't close to the Uptown Audio Isoregen. But tell me about it. Maybe you guys have tried something that I haven't seen on the market. There might be something from Germany. The people. There are some really smart engineers around Germany that I bet have come up with some similar product to this, and I would really like to hear if there is something that can compete with this, because then I want to try it, especially if it's cheap. So yeah, that's me logging off, and like and subscribe if you can.